Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add story points in Jira. Navigate to the project where you want to add your story points, then click on these three dots and click on project settings. Here navigate to fields and click on add field. Now in this sidebar you have to find story point estimate, click on it and click on add one field. Now this will add your story point estimate to the mobile banking app project. Now you can simply go back and go to the list, and you should see when you click plus icon story point estimate right here. Click on add it and you simply added this column story point estimate to your project and to your item. So it is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.